What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. I know I have not posted in so long, but I do see everybody's comments and I am doing my best to respond as soon as I possibly can. Anyways, so today, this video, you've probably already seen before on my channel, but I wanted to start the channel back up with this message. So these are rack circles that go on rigs for people that work out. And for some time they were selling like hotcakes on my Etsy store, and I have pretty good like ratings. However, I've sold so many of these and never received any reviews, and when I finally did, within 2 days apart that same week, the first time I'm getting reviews for this product, they were both like 2-star ratings or even 1 star, and that took a hit. And my thing with that was that since it was my first time receiving such like low ratings on my Etsy store, it bothered me, and I had to process and sit with that. And so my message is that, in our business journeys on Etsy, Shopify, or anything that you're trying to build and perfect your craft, like, we can't please everybody. And even though I know the ins and outs of vinyl and how to apply it on even complicated surfaces, I know not everybody's gonna get it. And moral of the story is, don't take it personal, sit with it, let it go, grow and evolve from it, because it's all a part of the journey. Not everything is in our control, so keep going.